everyone. Welcome to Paddy this beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, another month now we day so February, and time no they wait for anybody. So if you want to do anything, don't make AY the sunshine. You see these days, no they tell person waiting good or waiting no good again. You know, if they do the right thing, you know. If you know they do the right thing, you know. So no need to be telling you, hey, do this, do that. Hello, everybody is living a time of maturity. So it is your choice. Be responsible for your action. All I'm trying to say is, we're done. You gonna talk or you gonna keep rolling in circles?
Rolling.
You gonna talk or you gonna keep rolling in circles?
Rolling. I don't tell me.
Your brain freeze.
I don't
you don't get brain freeze.
I don't tell me.
Your brains don't freeze.
How na day? Sorry.
Why are you shouting?
No, sometimes when you don't turn, brain freeze.
So you need to shout to unfreeze your brain.
Unfreeze your brain and the cells that have become inaudible.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on top the Paddy Show. So that don't change again. I know I changed one kind.
Not the shirt.
Not the shirt.
Not the shirt.
Not the shirt. Anyway, when I welcome, how everybody take day. Hopes and I catch better night rest. And God bless you and thank you for coming.
Coming to where, Nambok? And coming to where? Where are they coming to?
Thank you for coming to sit down for the front of
No,
Una
you say
TV.
thank you for staying tuned.
I didn't tune them.
For tuning in their TV, for
no,
tuning in.
You don't correct now. For coming, I feel explain the coming.
You feel stay tuned, make it tire you, make it tune to another one. So for staying tuned. Yes. Thank you.
For staying tuned to Wazobia TV.
Yes.
Yeah, now you go talk to me for Paddy. They just have to watch the show. More they correct ourselves now. Respect you.
Don't be revenging. You don't have forgiveness.
You don't have waiting.
Forgiveness.
You have a violent spirit. Hey, you guys are welcome, all right? And the show don't start like right now, you know. Sorry, we start a bit later than later, you know.
I want to apologize unfailingly on behalf of our two of us that we have started the program in the time that we start. It's due to technical difficulties.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are coming back.
We cannot disappoint you. So even if it's 5 minutes, we have to show our face because we know that our face is to brighten your day. We know. We know. So we just say no matter what, let's just come and show our face as a sign of face showing gesture. Yes. You understand? To help up your game today. Give us Yandy Yan.
Yeah, the video first.
Give us Yandy Yan. We don't get time. Give us Yandy Yan. So, a woman where we say her 7-month-old baby die. Kiss your.
Are they emotionally explain for you?
Okay. A woman where her 7-month-old baby die. After then talk say the boyfriend of the person where they take care of the pikin. Nain killer. You know understand? The boyfriend of the person.
Yes.
Where they take care of the pikin.
Yes.
Nain molest the pikin so that the pikin die. As in
by force?
No, not be that by force. He abused the pikin like he, videos where they see that way he throw away the pikin, make he hit him, slap him. So now he molest the 7-month-old pikin till the pikin die. Now we hear say before the pikin die, because the baby had a good heart, the heartbeat of the pikin. The heartbeat of the pikin, they work well. Okay. You understand? Okay. So we hear say, as me and you they talk now, then commode the heart of that baby, give to another 4-year-old who need heart transplant. So for the first time in 3 years, and when they been give when they do the transplant, see the girl where they give the transplant, she was just 18 months. So for the first time, the mother of that 7-month-old baby, now the first time when they see the girl, so they can't give her this stethoscope. Where she go put for ear, put for the baking heart. She can't hear the heartbeat of that pikin. So as far as they feel say, oh, that's the heartbeat of my son inside of you. That's the girl. So that's the mother, Jordan. Her name is Jordan. So she feels that, I can hear the heartbeat of my son again. It was an emotional period for her.
Even for me, it's emotional period too.
Very emotional.
Very, very emotional.
Quite emotional.
You know? But last, we thank. See, that's why it's so even as most of the time, when the talk says science don't they go too far sometimes. We always need to appreciate them too. Yeah. Because if not for science and their move that they make sometimes, this kind of thing for no possible. Yeah. You know, so we really appreciate them, and we hope say this kind of things inside our country. Yes, more even because I don't think say even though it did, But it's rare. You know, if you go fit to hear of some kind of transplanting where they go on.
It's not very common.
For that side.
Except the only thing where they happen much for this partner, person die, then transfer the properties from the owner.
No. That one is in a part of our doings.
They do that one. That one na material transplant.
No.
They do one way.
That one are well. People they fight on top, they kill themselves on top, different things. You know, but for this one, you go hard to even see parents. We maybe in Peking by because they bring the heart.
Yeah.
How? They will say how? You know, to save another Peking, my own go. How?
But it kind of gives you a sense that your child still lives on, you know?
Yeah.
Because, you know, your heartbeat is in the heart of another person.
Yes.
And it's saving the life of another person.
I'd imagine what you do when we don't go to when you just put that in for years.
Very emotional period.
Now my picking heart.
For the girl face that you go just to see her son. Moving on.
All right, moving on before we get to emotional. Now for inside Italy.
My brother, this gist. Since off me.
The 1980s, Italian town of Ostana, Ostana, the town for that place. They never see any Peking when they're born for the past 28 years. For the past 28 years. Yeah? But they say recently, now God changed the story for them. Wow. And one new Peking just land amongst them. They say the matter can't even make young people, they come out for the town. They go different places. Older people come fool this particular town. But last now, as me and you, they talk like this now, they don't born a new Peking. At least they can say, this one a celebration. Celebration for them.
And the person who bought the Peking with that?
Now the lady will drop the baby.
Oh, it go become national baby.
National.
Like
this
a
one.
state
baby.
They
go honor.
You understand? It go be a community baby.
Yes. The woman now, they go even they honor the woman herself. Say, come, now you break the jinx.
Town baby.
Town now, community town.
It could be chieftaincy baby.
No be yard.
No, town baby. You know, say now in the town for the first time.
Yes.
So now town baby.
Yes.
Yeah. Child.
So well, we thank God. Now good news. That means from now, all those Italo that wait for that particular town. No, this woman don't break the jinx now. You go see people they try now. Everybody go they try to cancel.
If she can do it,
you understand? Streets go to empty for evening. Because you can't see anybody for streets.
Hello,
echo.
If you go somebody's house now, just knock. You go just the hear.
You understand? You know, they sing different songs. You understand?
Just to,
ringtones because they press for phone.
Just to make this possible.
Yes, you understand. So if you be person will get person for Italy, video call them for that town.
Do you sing? Because they have break your jinx now. So do you sing?
Yeah.
Go and sing. If you don't sing, go and, a woman sang and gave birth to a baby after 28 years. So you go and sing.
Yeah. Yes. You know, then from there we can hear good stories to come from that town based on the musicians in the area.
Let's go and break.
Very, very deep talk. Now we'll talk just now. If you don't understand them,
you are shallow.
Oh, you are very shallow. You are sitting on the bicycle.
Okay. All right. Back to the second part of the gist. So this Norwegian girl, you know Norway now?
Norway.
Yeah. This Norwegian girl now, she talks, say, excuse me, meow. There's a reason for my meow.
Okay.
Excuse me, meow. I am a cat trapped in the body of a human being.
Oh.
No, don't do that.
No, not be Caitlyn Jenner do.
No.
He said, now woman trapped inside man body.
That one is still human being. She says she be cat.
Yeah, like,
now, let me now tell you. 20-year-old Nano, now her name is that Nano, from Oslo, Norway. She talks, say, she no be human being at all. Say she be cat where them born for inside the wrong species. Now, as she did so, throughout this, he get one video like that. You see, where we been get this information from, you go see Nano, she go there, talk to other cats, they meow to them. And then you go see her, they crawl on fours. She did on her hand and her leg, on her hand and her knee, they crawl. Now, so she go crawl, reach window. You know how cats go just sit down for side of window, they look. She they do and where. And then she they like sleep for inside zinc. For inside under carpet. You know those kind of things then. And then she no like water. You know, say cats don't like water.
Yeah.
She no like water. And then sometimes, if she notice other animals, she feel just stop, hiss. This the way cats, they do their... She feel just stop. do am. Now so she be. Now we no can know. Now she can't. According to her, she says she gets some kind of vision. We be say for night, nothing where she know they see, and then her hearing skills no be here. She dey like wear this thing, and then she go can't use this. You know this thing where cats they always do to their hand. Will be like artificial fur. She can't use and they do their face. You know when cats they prepare themselves like say they want, yes. And then when she want pee, she dey pee like real cat. She go raise one leg. Now they tell you so. Now the people with doctors they talk say when them born and they notice one defect, but they don't know whether she they pretend or she they do them out of instinct. You understand? They never too sure, but everything what she they do like cat. She said, I don't tell you now. I know they from this thing. I know they font this thing. This thing comes to me naturally. Tom. Sister.
You want to scatter my thinking?
Okay now.
Hey. Well, tomorrow na person will come and say, "In get the spirit of tree."
Okay.
He like to stand, the open hand, make people under and they collect, or he like to bear fruit. Say, na tree be. One person if you wake up one day, say, "Me, I have the spirit of a fish." Maybe now one person come across, I have the spirit of a fish. Now come to say, "Na my water spirit." Because now cat. All right, we'll leave her for there. No, because if not for here now, I trust we get broom. Broom go reformat the cat spirit and take it out of you. Basically.
Well, I think that I am a lioness in the body of a human being. It did work.
Ila, na camel spirit you get. They talk rubbish. You have a spirit of a camel. They always walk around. They like to carry load. Okay, quickly, my own gist. This one, doctor. They say they no agree and practice medicine. No. I say this one a correct doctor. He said, but now you know Charlie Sheen. Charlie Sheen na one Hollywood actor. We worry Hollywood with a drug wahala, with every, but now one of the best actors too where they get. Say, but last he can come and talk saying don't get HIV for the past 4 years.
Yeah.
Now everybody shocked. Wow, Charlie Sheen. Now they bring out the doctor now we don't treat Charlie Sheen now for the past 4 years. He said, well, because Charlie Sheen not too long ago, can't still come out again, can't say, be like saying HIV don't cure. They can't say, oh, the doctor how they treat you. You can't mention this guy. Okay, now Charlie Sheen be this. He can't mention the doctor. They can't carry the doctor come and can't say, okay, guy, how far now? He can't say, as it be like this now. He know they treat many countries. And you know they cure them of HIV virus for years now. Say, but you know, go disclose how they do them. But they say now with one goat milk, 90 they arrange the every. But right now, they say, as it be like this now, Charlie Sheen, now be the person where him they always treat, and steady he don't see at a point even collect Charlie Sheen blood, chook inside his own body.
Yeah.
Constantly carry.
Now the one where trick me pass. He injected himself with
HIV blood. But they say based on his own treatment, because they also treat his own self, it no cause any major harm for his own body. So now they say now true, I be not be true. You know now lie, I be not true. Many talk don't follow the whole thing now. But in the claim, that's it be like this. Now even Charlie Sheen not come and talk say, nah, in doctor be that. Nah, in doctor be that. So you know, trust you both now they will do say because many people don't come out too. Can't talk say them say don't cure HIV. So I know say they look the thing skeptically.
Oh, wow.
I'm say one eye they up, one eye they down. They look say this guy, you sure see this thing? But last shall we go hear the old gist. And they say she himself admits earlier this month on top of Dr. O's show that say in HIV numbers don't go up. So now they don't carry and go back into this particular guy treatment things to go see how they will take or continue the treatment again.
Yeah.
You understand? And
because it was low when this guy was treating him, and then they had to go and do something in Mexico or something like that where no really to work. So now they had to go back to this guy's treatment. So don't go up again. So now but the guy talks say you go need to drink that particular goat milk. You go need to drink and steady self. You need to stay on that particular medication. Go protect you for life.
For life. But now you could always take continuously. Not be say you do and can't stop, But this guy, the money may collect for Charlie Sheen hand because that's one of America's richest actors too. You know. But anyway, last
2.5 men.
2.5 men. I did do 2.5 men. But anyway, but most importantly, before anybody go reach that stage, you should protect yourself first. Very, very important against HIV/AIDS. Do everything possible. No share sharp objects together. For those of you now, the best thing, abstain. No cheat on your partner. Be faithful. All right? But say you don't do everything that they will talk. ABC of the whole thing. Abstinence. Be faithful. The last one, wear rubber. So
at the end of the day.
At the end of the day.
Meanwhile, Ogbola, you notice that we be like say we the interview president. You know, since we just be today.
We just
we're quite corporate. Yeah. Put this thing on wide, make una see as we be today. Yeah, so it's just, I mean, it's preposterous.
The way both of us just take chill, you know.
It's quite wide this thing, please, wide it. You understand? You see? It just bless you. Thank you very much, sir, for taking time out to come for this interview. We hope to hear from you very soon, and we hope you honor our invitation the next time we call you. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we shall go on a quick break. And by the time we come back from this break, we'll continue with the interview with the... Ciao! Ciao! All right, thank you so much. Now your turn. Talk on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we thank you very, very much. You know, follow us there on top of the show for today. Make sure you join us tomorrow. And for those of you who would like to jam us on top of our social media portals, on top of YouTube, now Wazobia TV NG / Paddy. And then on top of Facebook, the same thing. Jam us on top of our individual, okay, which one? I want to say WhatsApp. Individual Instagram. Individual Instagram at Mayowa Ekpo at Ogbola on top Instagram. And on top Twitter at Mayowa Lambe. And for me, at Funny Ogbolo. And follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Reach them, we'll get all of your comments. All right, so we'll see you now tomorrow. God bless you. Bye. Get better day. Get better night. Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.